Here you can see I have more than 20 PDF files and all of them contain tables and data. I need to convert all of these into Excel files. Now imagine converting them one by one. Open file, convert, save, repeat again and again. That would take a lot of time and effort. In this video, I'll show you how to convert multiple PDF files to Excel all at once. Many online tools allow PDF to Excel conversion, but they come with three big problems. First, they ask you to upload your files to their servers, which is not safe for personal or confidential documents. Second, most of them support only one file at a time. So if you have 20 PDFs, you have to repeat the process 20 times. And third, formatting issues are very common. Rows shift, columns break, and the Excel file does not look organized like the original PDF. To avoid all these problems, we'll use an offline tool called SysWeek PDF Editor. It solves all three issues. Your files stay on your computer, you can convert multiple PDFs at once, and the table structure remains properly organized. You can download SysWeek PDF Editor from the link in the description. Let us begin. First, open SysWeek PDF Editor. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. From here, click on Batch Process. Then select Batch Convert. A new window will open. Click on Add Files and select the PDF files you want to convert to Excel. You can select multiple PDFs at the same time. Once the files are added, choose the output format as Excel. Now select the output folder where you want to save all the converted Excel files. Everything looks good. So click on Convert to Excel. The tool will now convert all the PDF files automatically, one by one, without you needing to open each file manually. Once the process is complete, let us check the folder. Here are the original PDF files, and here are the Excel files created from them. Each PDF is converted into a separate Excel sheet. You can open any Excel file, click on any cell, and edit the data easily. The rows and columns are structured properly, and the layout looks organized like the original PDF. And all of this happened quickly on your PC without uploading the files anywhere. So this is the easiest and safest way to convert multiple PDF files to Excel all at once. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.